There's one free AI tool almost nobody is telling you about, and it quietly does something the famous ones can't. It's called NotebookLM. By the end, you'll wonder why it isn't everywhere. Here's the idea. Most AI answers from the whole internet, which means it can make things up. NotebookLM only answers from the documents you give it, so it becomes a tutor for your notes, your PDFs, your research, and it cites exactly where each answer came from. But here's the part nobody talks about. It can turn your documents into an audio overview. Two voices discussing your material like a podcast. Upload a dense report, get a 10-minute conversation you can listen to on a walk. That's how you actually retain it. Use it for studying, onboarding, or turning a messy folder into something you understand. Drop everything in, ask it to summarize, then ask follow-ups. It stays inside your sources the whole time. The catch? It only knows what you upload. It won't go find new information for you. And the audio overview can oversimplify the hard parts. It's free, it's from Google, and it's the most underrated AI tool right now. Links below with the rest of my toolkit. Subscribe for the tools nobody else is showing you,